So how can you make the notifications on your iPhone private? Let's talk about it. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. So you can just grab your iPhone, go to the settings app, and you can see the notifications are right there. And the thing to make them private or not is the showing of previews. So the preview basically just shows part of that notification. For example, you receive a message and you're going to see like the first two lines of that in the notification. And that is not very private, right? So you just go to the show previews and decide if it's supposed to be seen or available. So when you have it set to always, that is the least private way to do it, right? We have the when unlocked, which just means that on the lock screen of your locked iPhone, you will not see any previews or any part of the notification. But once you scan your face, it's just going to be there. Or you can choose it to be never, and this will make sure that you have to actually click on that notification to read what's inside. So that's like the most private way to do this. So keep in mind that this is applying to every single notification. However, if you want to change it specifically for some apps, you have to scroll down a little bit where you see all of the apps listed out in here, and you can manage it separately for every single application. For example, you might want to go to your messages and there decide that the show previews is not going to be the default, which we just selected before, but you change it somehow differently on the messages app specifically. So that's how you can do this and make sure that your notifications stay private and, not like information gets revealed to a lot of people. So that's how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to set it up on your device. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support. Subscribe for upcoming tutorials as well, and I'll see you later.